Unit 6. Banks. Key words: financial, commercial, trade, deposit, withdraw, balance, draw, statement, bounce, funds, minimum, reserve. Banks.
For most of us, the most important and best-known financial institution is our local bank. Probably our bank is a commercial bank, meaning that the bank is involved in trade. And what it trades in is money and other financial services. It carries out this trade for a profit, just as any business does. A bank carries out a variety of functions. For its customers, it operates savings and checking accounts. It offers loans. It changes money. With the familiar savings account, the customer can save money and earn interest. The customer deposits and withdraws money, and his deposits and withdrawals, along with his interest earnings and the balance, the total of deposits minus withdrawals, are recorded in a passbook. A checking account is a service that usually makes our lives a little easier. The bank holds our money, and we pay our bills by writing checks instead of using cash. Checks drawing on our accounts. We record each check we write in a check register in our checkbook. The checks come back to our bank through a clearinghouse, and our accounts are charged for the checks we have written. At the end of each month, we receive a statement, which summarizes our transactions. Then we compare the bank statement with our check register. Although checking accounts are very helpful, we can sometimes make problems for ourselves by bouncing a check. The check bounces back to us like a ball. A check that bounces is called a rubber check. It is marked insufficient funds, meaning we do not have enough money in our account to cover the check. We have overdrawn our account. Banks usually have a service charge for maintaining our checking accounts, although some banks do not charge us if we keep a minimum balance in our account. So, for example, if the minimum is $500 and our balance never goes below $500, we do not pay a service charge. In recent years, people have been using debit cards more than checks. The debit card can be used to make payments, like a credit card, but the money is automatically withdrawn from the checking account. In addition to operating accounts, banks also loan money and charge interest on the loans. Although banks always try to keep a certain amount of money in reserve to cover withdrawals, they invest a large part of the money they are holding to earn more money. They also offer other services for a fee, such as storing valuables for people in safe deposit boxes inside the bank's vault, and changing currencies. In short, banks provide services and use our money to make money.